Guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2020 Bobcat S76 R Series rubber tired skid steer loader. This unit is cab, heat, air, power quick attach. It does have backup camera in it. Power bob-tach, you did say that. 12/16/5 rubber. This is a hand and foot controlled machine. There is 1,996 hours on it. The machine is all original paint other than the quick attach. We did paint that because it was scuffed up. Does have 7-pin attachment control device on it. It is coming with a brand new CID Xtreme heavy duty 74-inch long bottom bucket. These are a 74 horsepower machine. I do believe off the top of my head these are 2,900 pound of lift. I've owned a bunch of these machines. This was a lease return. Very good, straight, clean machine. We're going to start you back here in the engine bay, take you completely around the skid loader. Guys, in the back door of this machine is extremely straight. It is all original paint. Nothing has been altered there. We wanted to let this machine that way because it shows the truth of what it is. In the engine door here, you're in the back, you're going to have your AC condenser, backup arm, and your backup camera. Engine bay, you're going to have your Bobcat D24 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Again, this is a 74 horsepower machine. No DEF on this or DPF. This is just have an EGR valve. Machine has had all new filters and oils put in it. Air, fuel, engine, both hydraulic. Cabin filters have all been replaced. This does have a hydraulically driven fan also on it, which is nice for the cooling system. H-link's in nice shape. Nothing is broke, welded, busted, anything like that. There's no leaks on the machine. Show them there at the hydraulic oil's full. Tires are OEM Bobcat 12/16/5. All four match and all four approximately 85% plus. Again, up front, brand new 74-inch CID Xtreme heavy duty smooth edge bucket. Up front, you're going to have your auxiliary hydraulic couplers with case drain and 7-pin attachment control device. You do have your power bob-tach. In the cab of the machine, it is very clean. Door is complete. It does have your LED lights front and back. Getting in the machine here, you'll see seats very good. This is a suspension style seat. Again, this is a hand and foot machine. Go ahead and hop in here. We'll start this machine up and kind of show you some stuff. So, the machine is cab, heat, air. Air works excellent in it, very cold. So let's go in here to our radio knob, 1,996 hours. We'll go ahead and go to backup camera. You can see it works. We're going to go to vitals. Machine is operating at peak performance. You can go in here, service next to is 600 hours. You can go into all your different settings. So on this keypad over here, you're going to have your start, push to operate. You are going to have your home screen pad down here. On this side, you're going to have your power bob-tach up and down. You're going to have your wiper washer. This does have auto level feature, both up and down. These other buttons are commonly used in track loader stuff. It does have a light switch here for a beacon light. You do have your horn, auxiliary hydraulics. You're on this thumb switch and on your back gun trigger. Again, interior is very nice. All the windows are in the cab. Everything's very good and straight there. I'm going to turn this back over to Landen. We're going to fire this machine up. Going to run it around here. I'm going to show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, these machines being that they're 74 horse, you are not going to fight the emissions end of that as far as any type of DPF, any type of REGEN itself, which is good. I've had extremely good luck with the Bobcat engines, the D24s, D34s, which is in the big frame like 770s. The R Series has an updated injection system on them that has done very well. I've had no issues with. Again, this is a hand and foot machine. Again, all the glass is in the cab. I think I've owned probably close to 35 of these in the past year that I had bought out of a program, lease program, and I mean, very good, well-kept machines. They have been very easy to work on, very easy to maintain. A lot of things that Bobcat changed versus the prior M's. Big updates on the quick attach plate. Some really nice things that they've done there. So about the features in this machine, again, you are going to have here your cab, heat, air, auxiliary hydraulics, 7-pin attachment control device. You are going to have your backup camera. You're going to have your auto level option, power bob-tach, 2,900 pound of lift. So what's nice about this size loader, you can still haul it pretty easily. You can do a lot of work with this. You want to run rock hound, you want to run grapple, auger, hammer. I mean, it's going to run what you need to run for sure. Very universal size. This is something, you know, if you want to load trucks with it, you have one, the limited capacity, but two, you have the load height, which is very good. We'll go ahead here quick, unhook this power bob-tach. That is one big thing Bobcat does do and still does to this day. They are running true hydraulic power quick attach, which I like. So that you actually have a hydraulic cylinder, which is great. Now, something to also show everybody, I engaged the parking brake. You see that the parking brake works. We just had a customer call us the other day. I was too much money to buy a machine from me, but he went and bought one somewhere else. Won't mention where. I'm not that guy. But, you know, it was to be 100% guaranteed, you know, some type of certified whatever bullcrap, you know, through the shop. Well, apparently, there again, I can tell everybody through the shop must mean in one shop door and out the other. Called and asked me why the parking brake didn't work. I'm showing you here, guys, that the auto level is working on the bucket. And that's also going to auto return, which is nice. Very, very nice feature. Now, I do have that bucket set on 3. I can actually go in and I can dial that down to basically a little slower setting if a guy wants. So I like to show you the truth about what a machine will do. So anyhow, as I stated there a second ago, he went, picked this machine up because, you know, I was $2,500 more. Well, it turns out no parking brake, wedges in his chain case, broken parts in a carrier. He's going to spend probably close to $7,000 till his skid steer's all fixed. But, you know, that's why I go through stuff, and we do service stuff, go through it, and make sure stuff's right. And a lot of guys don't do that. They take it off the auction trailer and they put it right on the lot for sale. And that's just not our MO here. I don't buy anything at auction sales. It's not my thing. But that's just one instance that, you know, we see stuff like that. So, guys, if you're looking for a nice machine, again, 2020, 1,996 hours, S76, 2,900 pound of lift, 74 horse machine. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.